Last year we built a pond in this location, and today it's all about the maintenance. I'm doing great maintenance at the minute.
Great maintenance. Okay.
Drinking coffee while you're doing all the work.
Yeah. Why not?
Hi guys, it's Mark from POND.college, your trusted resource in the UK for ponds and water features, and today me and Kenny are doing a service call on this wildlife pond. Stay tuned for the Any Pond showcase. So we're coming to the end of doing this service call on this particular wildlife pond. What we're going to do now is we're going to put in some treatments to stop the blanket weed from growing, and that's called multi-clear. If you want any more information, have a look at the video at the end of this video, more about multi-clear and how to apply it. We're also going to put in maintain, which is in a pump top bottle, and you simply just pump the amount of dose that you need into your pond, and that reduces your maintenance. It contains everything that you need to keep your pond clean, clear and healthy. And also we're going to put in some beneficial bacteria in the water soluble bags, and that's multi-aqua, and that will keep this pond fantastic and it stops it from going green and horrible like that. So my name is Mark, the Pond Advisor, and I'm here to support you dream, plan and enjoy ponds and water features. And until next time, I'll see you in the next video.